Hey guys, welcome back. We are picking up the NA Miata and we are actually picking up a radiator for it on the way to get it. So we have a whole bunch to do today, starting off with picking up the U-Haul, and then we're gonna go get the radiator, and then we will get the Miata, and then we're gonna bring it back out to my house and get some work done on it. So let's get the trailer. Okay, so made it to get the radiator, picking it up now. I'll show you it in just a second, and then we're gonna go to the rest of the way to get the Miata. Okay, stopping for fuel real quick before I leave Wisconsin because Illinois fuel costs insane. So gonna fill up now, and then we are almost to the car. It really doesn't need that much fuel. I'm not even at half a tank, but I don't want to risk not having enough fuel to get back to Wisconsin after picking up the car. So I'm just going to fill it up now, and then hopefully I can fill up right here again when we get back. River being the best road trip buddy, huh? Best road trip buddy. Alright, made it to Illinois. Okay, so I just picked up the Miata. You can see it back there. I'm now gonna make a quick stop on my way back up home to pick up some exhaust parts for John's NC. So we'll have an update video on the NC very soon, and then hopefully get to work on this thing and have it ready for Road America this weekend. So here's my new to me radiator that utilizes the stock fans, which I'm super glad about because a lot of them make you go aftermarket fans, and I didn't want to do that. So here's what we're looking like. Really pretty. Whoever installed it did a really good job. That's literally the only damage, which is probably from going in and out of the box, to be honest with you. Looks real good. I'm so glad this is like the red logo one, because I think that's going to look really good with the car being red. Though, if I show you it on camera, it's going to look real orange all of a sudden as soon as you get the red in there. I don't know why, but love the logo on top. It looks so clean, so good. So let's work on getting the old one out and the new one in. So I'm going to take out these hose clamp. We're going to replace these with worm clamps per manufacturer recommendation, as well as my personal preference. Might have to take this whole hose off. I believe this is the replacement hose that I had to buy for the updated radiator. So I'm going to take this off because it looks like I'm going to need both hands, and I'll get right back with you. All right, that was easy. Okay, so the stock fan does fit. You just need to trim around here, which I literally did with some dikes because the plastic's old and brittle. So just trimmed around this piece and that piece, and now it'll just bolt in. Okay, I need this hose to stop getting caught. There we go. It's very important. All right. Goodbye, old hose. Girl, bye. On with the new one. Okay, so we got the radiator installed and bled. Look at how cute it looks. Look at that. I love that. I love that it matches. Super easy, super plug and play. You just need an extended hose to go from the top port to your thermostat housing, and then you need an extended hose to go from your expansion tank or coolant reservoir, whatever you want to call it in this car. I'm used to German cars, give me a break. Just because now it's longer and further away, and the radiator is like a little bigger, and some of the pieces are moved, so you just need a little more length on those two hoses. But otherwise, super easy, super plug and play. Would recommend replacing your clamps with worm clamps. Unfortunately, I did not have ones that got small enough at home, and I need to take this car to the track today. So I will replace those very soon, and I'm gonna go back and flush this out because there's still that dirty fluid coming out because it's still in the engine. So we're gonna do a good actual flush on it when I have more time. But the radiator's in, car should be running super cool. It's gonna take forever to get warm now, but I'm so excited, I'm so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.